Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find the model number of the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, you can tap on the settings icon. In here, we're going to swipe up to go down and then tap on General. Next, tap on About. Then in here, you'll be able to find the model number. If you tap on the model number, you can see it will toggle between the two different codes. This is a format here. A2890 is the actual model number for the iPhone 14 Pro. But if you tap on this number here, it will tell you what color it is and what is the storage size and for which iPhone. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.